My name's Claudia Hanna, and today I'm going to show you how to take normal Spanish Manzanilla olives, the kind you can get at any grocery store, and with a handful of ingredients, transform them into a delicious appetizer paired with the perfect glass of white wine. For this recipe, you're going to need a jar of stuffed green olives. We're going to roughly chop some, just bite size for your guests. Pop them into a bowl. Take our quarter cup of dried apricots. We're thinking bite-sized. All right. These guys are a little sticky, so be careful when you're chopping. And pop them into your bowl. Grab our blue cheese, throw them in the bowl as well. About a half cup of blue cheese or Gorgonzola. And then we're gonna put our toasted almonds into our bowl as well, quarter cup. You can also use pecans or walnuts. And then for sweetness, we've got a little maple syrup. Now, I don't really measure this, just want it nice and sticky. So I'm thinking about 1/3 cup. Okay, that's our mixture. Let's get it out of the way and bring our plate over. And now we get to top our beautiful apples with our mixture of food for our guests. You could use French bread or slices of apples. I'm doing apples because I want to keep it gluten-free. Make sure we get a little bit of olives, a little bit of almonds, a little bit of blue cheese, and a lot of honey. Everything is perfectly bite-sized for your guests. Voila! This simple appetizer is perfect with a glass of chilled Chardonnay due to its tropical undertones. I really hope you give it a try because it elevates your wine experience. From my kitchen to yours, Tisla Madake, friends. Bless your hands.